Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey people, Kiara here from Mind Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using Mind Lead Gen Secrets, okay? And we only using one account, and the reason why we're only using one account is because I want to emulate what people who are just starting with make. Most people only start with just one account when they start this business and trying it out. They only get one account. So I just want to emulate and show them the kind of results they'll get. Now, it may be a little bit higher or lower than what I'm showing here because these are my results. Now, of course, they're going to bounce around depending on the person, but I'm showing you that it's working for me at least. Alright guys, so first off, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Like I stated before, the link's in the description below if you want to follow along, and let's get started. Alright, so first off, the reason why I like promoting the $25 one digital business is because essentially it's a funnel builder. It's a very lucrative funnel builder with not any limitations on it at all. You can make as many funnels you want, many pages you want. You can connect domains, all kinds of stuff like that. Now, and the reason I state that because usually around $25 it has a ton of limitations. It's like a trial run. You can't really do much to it. You're gonna have one funnel, whatever, right? And the most popular funnel builder right now is ClickFunnels. When ClickFunnels is $97 per month. It has a ton of limitations, including not being able to, only a certain amount of people can see your page before they take it down until you have to pay the next $97 the next month, which is entirely insane to me and bogus. And if you want them limitations gone, you have to pay $300, which is insanity. I can't believe I used to do that. But anyway, guys, that's the first reason. Now, the second reason, I think the reason that most people are interested in promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commission, and that's the highest I have ever seen, ever, period. Nothing is higher than that, guys. Understand something. 40% recurring commission is considered high. 80% is considered insanity. So, get on this, guys. Get on this. Hurry up before a lot of people in the system. A lot of people in the system, that's a lot of money that you're not making. So you got to get in quick and get started quick so you have a ton of customers. But anyway, guys, let's get started here. Let's show my results real quick. Looks like I didn't get a sale, but let's make sure here. Okay, it looks like I did not get a sale yesterday, which is absolutely fine. I have no issues with that because, like I stated before, I knew the beginning was going to be kind of rough, the beginning of the month, because it was the same way last month. I don't have any sales, recurring sales, or anything like that going on at the beginning of the month, so it works like that until I start getting sales in that within that month, within the beginning of the month there. So yeah, I did not get sales, but you can't let that get you down. You know what I mean? As long as you keep going. If me not getting sales got me down, I wouldn't have made $2,000 off this product so far in the last 2 months. So, all right, guys, let's keep it moving. So first off, we're gonna. Oh, also before I move on, forget this. Make sure people refresh the page when they show you results because it's very easy to fake all of these numbers. Very easy to change all of these numbers into whatever they want it to be, show bars and stuff like that. So make sure they refresh, because refresh will show the real results. If anybody doesn't refresh the page when they show you results, they're most likely lying. I wouldn't believe any of them. Now, I'm not saying 100% they're lying, but I'm just saying refresh the results. Show refresh results. All right, guys. Anyway, guys, let's keep it moving here. We're gonna go to the My Lead Gen Secrets here. We're gonna send us another email, so we're gonna click on that. We're gonna go to what's our next email here? This one here, building my money up. So we're just gonna use this email here. This is next on the list here, and we're just gonna copy paste that. Simple, easy to do, right? Once you get a couple of emails in the system, you really don't have to write anymore. You just kind of write the same ones. Anyway, guys, if you want to copy the email, it's very easy to pause this video whenever you need to. Let's go down a little bit, make sure we get all the words here. You can pause at any moment, get all these like this. Very simple to do, very easy. You see how that was? Very simple to do. Now make sure you put your link right here. Join for the dozer, put your link right here. The link you want to use is this one right here. All-in-one business right there. That's the link that you want to use. That's the one I use. You could try link if you want to, but that's the one I use and one I can get good results with. So anyway, guys, you put that in right there. That's all there is to it. Make sure your link works by going to preview here and clicking on the link here. making sure the link works. My link works. See that? Yeah. So my link works. You need to check that every time, unless you already got the email in, you know it works. Anyway, guys, make sure you hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does, send an email around time people check their emails. So we're gonna send an email just like that, and we are done for the morning, guys. That's how simple and easy it is to do this. And you can just do this every morning, and you can make, like, I've been making around about $600. My last month been $600. $600 just from doing this. That's insanity. That's insanity, and it's recurring, so it's gonna slowly keep growing, guys. That's great. All right, guys, that's all there is to it. Links in the description below. You want to follow along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.